The topic for today is how to monetize a YouTube channel. To earn money from YouTube, you can apply in two ways. Either the YouTube Partner Program or the expanded YouTube Partner Program. For the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, or 10 million short views in the last 90 days. For the expanded YouTube Partner Program, you need 500 subscribers with 3 public videos uploaded in the last 90 days, 3,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, or 3 million shorts viewed in the last 90 days. When you complete your minimum channel threshold, you will get an email confirmation to start the monetization process. Let's click on Earn. After completion of eligibility, the Apply Now option will appear. Click on Apply Now. After clicking, the 3-step monetization process will start. The first step is to review the terms and conditions. Click on Start. After clicking, a Terms and Conditions page will appear. Read carefully all the terms and conditions and scroll down to the bottom. Click on I accept the base terms. Click on Accept Terms. After clicking, it will initiate the first step. When the first step is successfully completed, it will show a confirmation message for Step 1 completion, which will take a short time. Click on Start in Step 2. After clicking, one AdSense confirmation window will appear. Click on Select. After clicking, 3 options will appear. First, I have an existing AdSense account. Second, I don't have an existing account. Third, I don't know. If you already have an AdSense account, you can utilize the existing AdSense account. Since I don't have any existing AdSense accounts, I'm clicking on I don't have. Click on Continue. After clicking, it will redirect you to the email login. Type your email address, which is where you want to create an AdSense account. It may be your channel account or any other account. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Next. After clicking, a startup page will appear. Click on the billing country or territory. Scroll down and select your country. In this case, do not select any other country than your own. After clicking, the AdSense Terms and Conditions page will activate. Scroll down the entire terms and conditions and read them carefully. Put a tick I have read and accept the agreement. Click on Set Up Account. After clicking, the customer information page will appear. In the first option, select the account type as individual. Next, the account name will come by default from your Gmail ID. Next, enter your address line 1. And if you have address line 2, enter that also. Type your town name. Next, enter your postal code. Next, select your state. After that, enter your phone number. This option is optional. Click on Submit. After clicking, your review process will start. Let's go back to YouTube. Here you can see that Step 2 is in progress, and you will also get confirmation through email. The AdSense account verification may take 2 to 3 weeks. So don't panic and wait patiently for the completion of this process. After the completion of Step 2, Step 3 will be initiated automatically. So in this process, you have to do nothing. Just wait patiently to complete the entire process on YouTube. So after 6 days, Step 2 is completed and Step 3 is initiated automatically. Again, after 3 days Step 3 is completed and you will get the same confirmation through email. Let's open YouTube. Click on Account. Click on YouTube Studio. Click on Earn. Here, you can see that 3 new tabs have been created. Since I applied this monetization through an expanded YouTube Partner Program, only these 3 options will be available. Click on Membership. If you want to create a membership for your YouTube channel, you can activate this option from here. Next, click on Supers. From this tab, you can activate the Super Chat revenue options. Since I already activated this option, you have to activate it from this tab. In this Supers you have 3 options: Super Chat, Super Stickers, Super Thanks. Next, click on Shopping. If you want to share your products through your YouTube channel, you can activate this option from here. Next, click on Overview. Let's scroll down to the bottom. In a YouTube Partner Program, the main source of revenue is watch page ads and short feed ads. Here you can see that my subscriber threshold is complete, but the public watch hour is not completed. So these 2 options will not be activated. Let's go to Google AdSense. Here, you can see the YouTube earnings are $0. Because watch page ads and shorts feed ads are not activated, wait for the watch time threshold to be completed. On top, you can see that additional tax information is pending. This part will be explained in the next video. Click on Payment. Click on the verification check. Here, you can see that the identity verification is pending. This identity verification will only be active after your earning process has started. Let's go to YouTube. Now the public watch hour threshold is complete. Click on Get Started. After clicking, it will redirect you to the watch page ads. Again, click on Get Started. After clicking, Earn Form Ads page will appear. Click on Turn On. After clicking, the watch page terms and conditions will appear. Carefully read all the terms and conditions. Put a tick on I accept. Click on Accept and Next. After clicking, the default review page will appear. Keep all the default settings and click Next. After clicking, the Monetize Existing Video option will appear. Let's select all of my existing videos. Click on Monetize All. After clicking, it will take some time to apply monetization to all your existing videos. Let's click on the content. Here, you can see a bulk update is in progress. So be patient and wait to complete the entire process. Here you can see all videos are updating one by one. Click on Earn. Next is to activate Shorts feed ads. Click on Get Started. After clicking, Earn Form Ads page will appear. Click on Turn On. After clicking, watch page terms and conditions will appear. Put a tick on I accept. Click on Accept. After clicking, it will take some time to apply monetization to all your Shorts videos. Let's click on the content. Since the bulk update is in progress, the monetization status is not visible. So be patient and wait for complete the entire process. Let's click on Earn. Here you can see that 2 new tabs have been created. Click on Watch Page Ads. From here, you can see your Watch Page Ads analytics. Next, click on Shorts Feed Ads. From here, you can see your Shorts Feed Ads analytics. Next, click on Memberships. Since the membership is not activated, analytics data is not available. Next, click on Supers. From here, you can see your super analytics. Next, click on Shopping. Since the shopping is not activated, analytics data is not available. Next, click on Shorts Feed Ads. Click on See My Analytics. From here, you will get all the earnings details. Click back. Next, click on Watch Page Ads. Click on See My Analytics. From here, you will get all the Watch Page Ads earnings details. Click back. Click Overview. Click on the content. Here, you can see the updating process is still in progress. If any of your videos do not monetize, you can monetize them manually. Click on the specific video for monetization. Click Save. After clicking, it will start updating the video monetization. When your channel is monetized successfully, your copyright tool will be available. To activate the copyright tool, click on Copyright. After clicking, View Guidelines option will appear. Click on View Guidelines. After clicking, the guidelines page will appear. Click on Agree and Continue. After clicking it, it will start updating all of your copyright-related information. So in this process, you can monetize your YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.